Hello everyone, this is Nancy. Here we'll continue to show you our new factory site here. Behind me is the new Pultrusion production line. It is all finished setting up. So here we are waiting for your orders, and thank you for your inquiry. And I will waiting you orders, and welcome to visit our factory. Hello everyone, this is Nancy again. Behind me is the widest protrusion production line. Behind me, I like this one. It has the max width 1.5 meters. Okay, let's go to see our plans here.